The COVID-19 outbreak will permanently change how we interact, how we work, how we travel, and even who we socialize with. We're constantly being told about the new normal we can expect from here onwards. Social distancing will become our way of life. However, first we have to get through the present crisis and contain it before life can return to anything even approaching normal. Herein lies a problem. Everyone agrees that more testing, and especially more accurate testing, is needed. But the problem with spot testing is that it's only good for that moment, as someone can test negative 1 minute and become infected the next, rendering the test data meaningless. What's needed is a way to continuously monitor everyone's vitals to catch any changes which might indicate infection, such as fever, for example, as fever is an early warning sign that someone might be infected with COVID-19. The solution is called CCM Plus, or Continuous Care Monitoring Plus. It's a state-of-the-art wearables and IoT platform which constantly monitors both temperature and heart rate in patients remotely and uses AI algorithms to extrapolate potential COVID-19 symptoms. This same technology can also be used to create a geographical heat map showing any clusters of infection or potential infection, helping healthcare professionals and the authorities contain the problem. COVID-19 can strike anyone, anywhere, regardless of their current state of health, and some may even have little or no symptoms. However, infection can be fatal for those in high-risk groups, such as the elderly, or those with underlying health conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, chronic respiratory diseases such as lung disease or even asthma, and even cancer. CCM Plus can help monitor those with the infection as well as those most at risk. It is the most comprehensive real-time monitoring and tracking health platform available anywhere. And since it works remotely, it helps keep our frontline care workers safe too. So how does it work? Simply, the patient wears a lightweight, water-resistant wristband, similar to a fitness tracker, which measures both temperature and heart rate, along with HRV, stress levels, sleep hygiene, and activity metrics such as a step counter. Once paired with a dedicated YesDoctor app on their smartphone, real-time continuous data immediately starts streaming to the app and to the YesDoctor cloud dashboard, showing their doctor their temperature and other metrics. What's more, their doctor can set individual alerts for a range of metrics on a per-patient basis. If their temperature or heart rate is too high, for example, their doctor or designated healthcare professional can be alerted via the dashboard and SMS text immediately. In addition, using GPS-based geofencing, we can also pinpoint their location or movements to create a heat map of infection and ensure they maintain quarantine if that's a requirement. But what if they forget to charge their watch or remove it? Can't they breach their quarantine then? No. In the event that they leave their quarantine location or remove the device, they receive a message from a platform notifying them of such, and so does their doctor or relevant authority if they've been mandated to shelter in place. Of course, if they're not infected, they can still go about their normal life, but the device and platform is so smart, it even helps the user maintain social distancing. For out-of-hours monitoring, we can offer a clinical care center staffed by trained professionals who will handle issues and escalate if necessary. The CCM Plus platform and service is a world first for the healthcare industry, and what's more, the cost of deployment is already covered under Medicare and insurance under existing CPT billing codes for remote patient monitoring. This is a continuous remote monitoring device delivering continuous real-time temperature and heart rate readings directly to their doctor, medical assistant, or other approved clinician, who can monitor them online from the safety of the internet. Person-to-person contact is not even required to monitor those who are infected or who display symptoms. This keeps the frontline care workers safe too. CCM Plus is timely and necessary to contain this virus and help life return to normality as soon as possible. Don't let another day go by without deploying this to your patients. Delays will cost lives.